Hey guys, Jen Moretti here with Blue Arrow Lending. Today I want to talk about shopping around for your mortgage. When you're getting pre-approved or you're getting ready to buy a home, you definitely want to shop around for a mortgage. I see so many times when people don't shop around for a mortgage and they're leaving money on the table. I'm not talking about a small amount of money. I'm talking about thousands of dollars, right? Fannie Mae came out with a statistic that said 3 out of 4 people only contact one lender for a mortgage. They only apply for one mortgage through one person. Come on guys, we're talking about one of the largest purchases you're gonna make in your lifetime. We want you to get the best deal. You're gonna look at a dozen houses. We want you to shop around for your mortgage too. We want you to be just as picky. This is the loan that you're gonna have for 15 or 30 years, right? So it's a big deal. You wanna make sure you're informed, that you're educated, so you can make the right decision for your family, for your lifestyle, right? So let's talk about shopping around and what you can do when you're talking to different mortgage people. One great question that you can ask your mortgage broker or your loan officer is, how long have you been originating mortgages? This is a big one, right? You want to know how long they've been in the industry, because the longer they've been in the industry, the more crazy things they've seen, right? The more solutions they can provide. Maybe the more investors they've come in contact with or have relationships with. The longer they've been originating, the more solutions they have for their consumers, for their clients. They've also built a great reputation. Another great question that you can ask your mortgage broker are, what type of loan programs do you offer? This is gonna be incredibly diverse, right? We have banks, we have credit unions, we have retail lenders, we also have mortgage brokers. All lenders are not created equal. And some places, for example, a bank will not have as many programs or loan types available as a mortgage broker. So you want to ask your mortgage broker or your mortgage officer, your loan officer, if they, number one, if they have access to those programs, and number two, if they're knowledgeable and experienced in funding or processing those loans. Because every loan is different, every loan has its own rules. So you want to make sure they're going to be the expert with the loan that you need. Another great question to ask your mortgage loan officer or your mortgage broker is, what are your turnaround times? Now, what is that, right? Well, when you're buying a home, you write up a contract and it has many deadlines on it, right? In 2 weeks, you have to get your inspection done. In 3 weeks, you have to get an appraisal done. So it's really important that your lender can meet those deadlines that you have on your contract. So a great question to ask is, what are your turnaround times? And they should keep track of it. It's very important information. You want to make sure that they're going to be able to meet your deadlines. Last, and definitely not least, you want to talk to your mortgage broker about interest rates. Interest rates are all over the internet, right? You can see interest rates are different on 5 different websites. So which one is the right one? Well, again, all lenders aren't created equal. Your mortgage broker or your loan officer is going to talk to you about those interest rates. And they're going to be able to help you determine what you qualify for and what is normal, average, or what we call par for that interest rate on that day for your loan program. Now, a little tip here. I can't tell you how many times somebody calls me up and the first thing out of their mouth is, what are your interest rates? Don't do that. When you call your mortgage broker up and you say, what are your interest rates? We need to know a little more information first so that we can truly help you out. Because you don't want somebody to say, hey, my interest rate is 2%, when in actuality for your situation, for your needs, the interest rate might be 4%. So when you call them and you talk about interest rates, make sure that you're able to help them because they need a little more information to get you the most accurate picture. That's all I got today. 4 great tips when you're looking for a home loan or a pre-approval. Things that you need to ask your mortgage broker.